NBA playoffs. And man, it has been a terrible playoffs here for my picks. I think it was what really kind of set the tone was the other day we had Miami and Portland up 11, getting 10 and not able to hold on for the cover. It's been absolutely bananas. Yesterday, Atlanta got throttled by Cleveland. We just have not been doing very well. But in this particular game, in which we had the Heat the first game, I think we're dialed in. We're going to go ahead and back the Heat again, plus the 4.5. But again, the picks have not been good, guys. So, good luck in your handicapping. I'm going to see if I get back on track. Here we go. We got the Heat plus 4.5. That's kind of similar to the line we had in game one. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to back them again. I like how they match up with Toronto. Kyle Lowry's not playing very well right now, but the Heat, I think they're really tough on the glass. They play really good defense. If they can keep that type of defensive momentum up, I think they're going to give Toronto a lot of trouble and have a shot actually to come out of Toronto up 2-0. Let's talk about the Heat. In game one, they shot 44.9% from the field and 72.7% from distance, but they did have 20 turnovers leading to 22 points. So we have two aspects here that's going to change in game two. They're not going to shoot the three as well, and they're not going to have as many turnovers. That's just way too many. So those will even out just a little bit. But as we look at the matchups, you're looking at a team that out-rebounded Toronto by over 10 rebounds. They got 11 offensive boards. I mean, they're just playing well all across, from the defensive side to the offensive side. They're giving Toronto some trouble, and the Raptors, I don't think the home court's going to be enough to go ahead and even win this game too. I think they're going to really struggle, but at the worst, I believe it does go down to the wire again. I don't think we're going to see that same three-pointer though from Lowry. All right, let's talk about the Raptors. In game one, they also shot 44.9% of the field, but just 23.8% from distance. They only made 5 from 21 from beyond the arc. They also had 15 turnovers, which led to 16 Miami points. But again, getting out rebounded like they did, and they just weren't efficient. They had 19 assists. They're really stagnant on offense, and that's trouble against a Miami team that can really lock you down. So I think the 4.5, I think that's good value on taking a good team in Miami. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to back them again, regardless of the fact that my picks have not been good. So no matter what, I wish you guys luck on your picks today. Mine is on Miami plus the 4.5. And I wish you guys luck.